Currently, the internet is flooded with memes and hype about OpenAI's new model, Strawberry. Some are even saying that we are just days away from singularity. I have never seen a model causing this much chaos in a world. But one thing for sure, there's something huge happening behind the scene at OpenAI, and it got everyone from the tech geniuses to the celebrities all caught up in the hype. So, what is Project Story, aka Qstar, and why this could be the humanity's last invention? In this video, I'm going to break it down for you. So, let's get started. Okay, before we get all techy, let's talk about some fun stuff. Alright, so Strawberry Madness that's been all over Twitter. It all kicked in when OpenAI CEO Sam Altman dropped look like a super chill tweet, just a picture of strawberries in his garden with a caption, I love summer in the garden. But of course, the internet went wild, reading between lines and connecting it to the with a long-running rumor about the new model called Strawberry. Another mysterious account on X, I rule the world more, dropped a tweet saying, Welcome to level 2, and Sam Altman replied with amazing TBH. Now that might sound like just another fun Twitter actions, but there is more to it, way more. So OpenAI has this roadmap for AI development and it's broken down into 5 levels. Level 1 is where we have been hanging out for a while. Basic chatbot that can hold a conversation but don't really go beyond that. Level 2 is where things get spicy. We're talking about AI that can solve problem at a human level. This is the stage where AI become reasoner, not just talking but actually thinking through the problem like we do. That's the level Mo Tut is hinting at. So when Mo says welcome to level 2, he's hinting at that we are moving into this new era where AI isn't just about chatting, it's about real-time problem solving. And Sam Altman's amazing TBH response, that's like a big thumbs up from the guy who leading the OpenAI. This all ties back to the rumor around Project Strawberry, which could be the major next step in the AI, possibly representing this jump to level 2. If that's the case, we're looking at AI that can reason and think at a level way beyond what we have seen so far. So yeah, strawberry memes are not just about fruit, they're about new era of AI that's just around the corner and it's looking pretty sweet. But the hype train did not stop there. Influencers in the AI space like Bindu Reddy from Abacus AI, Arvind from the Perplexity jumped in, basically confirming everyone's suspicion. So here's the deal. What do you actually know about Project Kister or Strawberry? Honestly, not much officially, at least. But the internet is full of detectives piercing Twitter clues. The project was originally called Qstar before getting the footier name like Strawberry. The rumor has it this could be the game changer in AI. We're talking about something that might push us beyond the current limits of model like GPT-4 or some folks even think it could be the next step toward AGI, artificial general intelligence, that sci-fi level AI that can basically do anything a human can, maybe even better. So let's get into nitty-gritty. What could Qstar actually be? One of the most talked about theory is that Qstar is all about giving AI better reasoning abilities. You know how even a smartest AI today can sometimes make dumb mistake, like totally messing up a simple logic questions. That's what they call a hallucination, and it's a big deal in the AI world. Well, Qstar might be OpenAI's attempt to fix that by teaching AI to think more like a human, slow, deliberate, and logical when it needs to be. For better understanding, let's break this down with an analogy. Imagine AI as a painter. Most AI today is just like a painter who really good at copying other people's work. They can look at a picture, analyze the brushstroke, and recreating something similar really quickly. But they are just mimicking. They are not thinking about why they are painting, what they are painting, or how the color might come together to create something entirely new. Now, what if this painter could certainly start planning their own original masterpiece? They would think about the theme they want to convey, experiment with different techniques, and maybe even invent new style to altogether. Instead of just copying what's been done before, they would be creating something genuinely innovative. That's what QStar could be aiming for. An AI that doesn't just spit out answers based on pattern it's seen before, but one that actually thinks through each problem like an artist planning their next big project. And here is where my extra digging comes in. Some experts are speculating that QStar might involve a new architecture or algorithm that let AI learn and improve its creative process over time. So instead of just painting by numbers, this AI could learn to blend colors, mix techniques, and even come with entirely new ways to doing things. This is not just about finding the most likely answers, it's about genuinely understanding the problem and crafting a solution that's a thoughtful and nuanced as something a human might come out. Alright, now let's get real for a second. If QStar is powerful as people think, this could be a double-edged sword. On the other hand, it could be lead to some insane achievement. Think breakthroughs in science, medicines, even tech we haven't dreamed of yet. But on the flip side, there is a risk. If AI gets too good at reasoning, it could start doing things we don't want it to do. There's a reason why some in the AI community are both excited and little nervous about this. If an AI can teach itself advanced math without much human help, what's stopping it from teaching itself other more dangerous skills? So that's a scoop on a project QStar or Strawberry. It's mysterious, exciting, and yeah, it's a little bit scary too. But one thing for sure, it's got the whole AI world talking. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Fireman, and drop a comment below with your thoughts.